So good afternoon, students. So yesterday we discussed about the uses of dimension formulas. So first one is to convert the system of unit one unit to another unit, and second one is to check the correctness of given equation. Third one is to derive the equations, the relation between different quantities. Okay, so today we are going to explain principle of homogeneity. Principle of homogeneity. So according to principle of homogeneity, one of the most important one for JEE. So one question definitely came from in JEE. So one of the most important one. But what is called principle of homogeneity? So principle, according to principle of homogeneity, it states that the only quantities having same dimensions can be added, subtracted and equated. That means the same dimension quantities can be added or subtracted or equated. Same dimension quantities are added, subtracted and equated. So this is called the principle of homogeneity. So based on the principle of homogeneity, you can solve some problems. The first one, the dimensional formula of A by B in the equation P is equal to A minus Cv square by Bx, where P is pressure, X is displacement and T is time. Find out the A by B value. So according to this equation, P is equal to A by Bx minus Cv square by Bx. You write it like this: A by Bx minus Cv square by Bx. So here, according to principle of homogeneity, A by Bx value should be equal to P, pressure, and again Cv square by Bx value also should be equal to pressure. So P is equal to A by Bx and P is equal to Cv square by Bx. Cv square by Bx. So by the principle of homogeneity, if we are having same dimensions, we can subtract it. Subtracted means minus. We can add it or equate it. So P is equal to B by X. So A by B is equal to P into X. P into X. Sending the X this side. P into X. That is equal to what is called P. P is called pressure. We know that pressure means force by area. Force acting per unit area is known as pressure. What is the dimension formula of force? Force means F is equal to ma. Ml to power minus 2 divided by A means area, length into length, L square, where L, 1L get cancelled. M L power minus 1 T power minus 2 is the dimension formula of force. So in the dimension formula of force, P is equal to, instead of P, M L power minus 1 T power minus 2, then X. What is called X? X is called displacement. Displacement divided by L. So that is equal to M. So L power minus 1, L power 1. If the bases are equal, adding the exponentials, so L power minus 1 plus 1 and D power minus 2, that should be equal to M power 1 and L power 0 and D power minus 2. So this is the value of A by B. By using the principle of homogeneity, we can find out the A by B value. A by B value. Right? So second one, we take another formula. B is equal to AT plus B by T plus C. Then the dimensions of A, B and C are, find out the dimensions of A, B, C. Okay? So V means velocity, T means time. Okay. So according to principle of homogeneity, the equation may be written as V is equal to A and V is equal to here by T plus C, right? So where T plus C means it is should be equal to time T. So T plus C, the constant value also equal to time. So the same dimension quantities can be added or subtracted or equated. Here we are subtracting, adding. T plus C means the C value also should be equal to time. Okay? So time means the dimension formula of time, capital T. So now V means velocity. Velocity dimension formula L e power minus 1. We know that velocity is equal to displacement by time, L by V, L e power minus 1. Okay? So substitute the values. V means L e power minus 1 is equal to A into small t means time denoted by T, A into T. So A is equal to L e power minus 1 by T. So that is equal to L into T power minus 1, T power minus 1. So that should be equal to L T power minus 2. L T power minus 1 plus T power minus 2. L T power minus 2. So A value is equal to L T power minus 2. Then B, substitute in this equation. B means L T power minus 1, that is equal to B by T plus C. What is the value of T plus C? T. So B is equal to L T power minus 1 into T, the T power 1. So that is equal to L into T to the power of minus 1, T to the power of plus 1. So T to the power of 0, that means L. B is equal to L. And C, what is the value of C? C is equal to T plus C is equal to, so T. So that means C should be equal to T. So here A is equal to L T power minus 2. B is equal to N and C is equal to T. So these are the dimensions of A, B and C. Okay? So then next one. The next one is, so van der Waal equation. So according to van der Waal equation, P plus A by B square into B minus B is equal to N of T. This is van der Waal equation. In this equation, P is pressure, V is value, R is the universal gas constant, T is the temperature. N is called mole number. Find out A comma B values by using principle of homogeneity. So this is third one. So here P plus A by B square. So P plus A by B square should be equal to P only. So P plus, we can add it, same dimension formula. So P plus A by B square should be equal to P only. And V minus B should be equal to V only. So subtracted, same dimension quantities are subtracted. V minus B is equal to V and P plus A by B square is equal to P only. Right? So based on this principle of homogeneity, we can easily find out the A value. So A by B square is equal to P, that is equal to A is equal to P into P square. So A is equal to, what is the P? Just now we told P means pressure. Pressure means force by area. Force acting per unit area is known as pressure. What is the dimension formula of force? mL T power minus 2 by, what is the value of A? Length into breadth, area. So L square. mL power minus 1 T power minus 2 is the dimension formula of pressure. This is pressure. And the dimension formula of value V is equal to length into breadth into height. That should be equal to L cube. Dimension formula of V, L cube. So now substitute P. P means pressure. Pressure dimension formula mL power minus 1 and T power minus 2. And V square, V means value. The dimension formula of value L cube whole square. So A is equal to M L power minus 1, P power minus 2 and L power 6. So that the A is equal to M, L power minus 1, L power 6. So L power 5, P power minus 2. This is the dimension formula of A. And again dimension formula of B. So B minus B is equal to, so B is equal to B only here. B means value, dimension formula of atom M0 N0, sorry, M0 N cube T power 0. So B is equal to M cube. So this is the dimension formula of B. So by using principle of homogeneity, we can solve some problems. So once again I repeated. What is called the principle of homogeneity? If same dimension form quantity can be added or subtracted